One of the most commonly misunderstood aspects in buying a home is understanding the true difference between receiving a pre-qualification letter, a pre-approval letter, an approval letter, and ultimately a clear to close from your bank. A pre-qualification letter means that you have provided the lender all of your personal information verbally or that you've entered it online through an online application. From there, the lender has run your credit report and also run your entire profile, including that credit report, through an automated underwriting engine. Automated underwriting engines are designed to assist the lender in determining the level of risk involved with your profile. It also helps them determine if you're eligible for an approval. This is a computer system, not to be confused with an actual live underwriter that you would be seeing at the approval stage. The next step of buying a home is to receive a pre-approval letter. A pre-approval letter means that you've gone through the process of the pre-qualification, but you've also provided the lender with all the documentation needed to support the information that you've provided. A pre-approval carries much more weight than a pre-qualification letter when you're presenting an offer on a home. It is always highly recommended that you go through the process needed to obtain a pre-approval before you go out looking for a home. Pre-approvals are still contingent on third-party services, such as having an appraisal done, having a title search done to make sure that the property is free and clear when you buy it, obtaining homeowner's insurance, as well as going through various verifications that the lender will do to make sure that all systems are a go and that you're still eligible. The third step is to receive an approval. Now, an approval is issued by the bank's underwriter. An approval means that the bank has received and reviewed all of your financial information, as well as all the information needed in relation to the property. An approval can come with conditions, and oftentimes will. Conditions on an approval should always be addressed immediately. Conditions requested will go back to the underwriter after you have sent them in, and they'll be reviewed again. If those conditions result in additional conditions, just know that that's a possibility, and you always want to address those very quickly. Having your loan cleared to close is the final step, and that's what you're striving for through this whole process. You've gone through all the conditions of the underwriter, you've addressed any concerns, any questions, and your loan has been essentially completely cleared. Everything's done and you're headed over to closing. In rare cases, there can be some conditions that are actually still on your loan file, but can be addressed at the settlement table. Oftentimes, these are things like if you miss signing a disclosure or a letter, they'll allow you to do that at the table. Being armed with the knowledge of these steps and understanding the difference between them can make all the difference with allowing your process to go through smoothly. So I hope this information is helpful for you, and if there's ever anything my team or I can do for you, feel free to reach out. Take care.